Hi everyone, welcome back to Firebase Authentication using Provider. After we have successfully registered an user, we have to create a sign-in method. We already have a sign-in here, but you can see that it's only in a container. So I have to build the UI, the design app, so I'll make it fast because I don't want to lose time. So you can slow the video to keep with me. And right now I'm going to create our sign-in UI screen. Let's go. So the first thing we need to do is change the sign up screen showing here to login screen because we want the login screen to show up first. So let's load the app. So you can see that we have only our black space here, and we're just about to create it right now. So keep with me and do what I do. So we have created our scaffold with our app bar that's gonna show up here. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so we have a sign in here in a center title. And now we have to create two text form fields, one for the email and other for the password. So let's do this now. Just to make things clear again, I'm going to set main axis alignment because I want all my widgets to be in the center of the screen. So you can see that what we have done here is always the same. It's almost the same as the sign up screen. So let's reload our app and see if it shows up. I hope so. Yeah, so the email is working okay. The next thing we're going to do is to copy this just to recreate another text with a text form field for us don't lose time. So let's go up here, just write where there's a padding. Let's copy the padding and let's copy this. Yeah, so we're gonna paste it again. Whoa, I'm sorry. And let's see what happens. So now we have two text form fields with email. So we have to change it. Whether email, we have changed it to password. Let's see. Oh, password. Here we have type your email. So type your password. And here in the validation, we have to set like, oh, we have this icon. Let's change this icon. Let me see. Yeah, so lock. Let's see if it works. Yeah, type a password. And here we're gonna check it. If the password change all email word to password word and type your email. Let's say you you forgot a password, and this one is going to be different. So if the password, so we're checking if the email is empty, it will return a message, you forgot a password. Oh, if the password is less than 6 characters, it will show it must have more than 6 characters. Yeah, hope it works. Yes, and return new if everything is all right. And the next thing we have to do is to create a button. So let's do this right now. So I think let's return new at the button and let's see if it works. So yeah, we have our sign in button just right here, but it returns new because we didn't set the option. But oh, I am at the sign in screen, but I want to go to the sign up screen before we sign in into our app. So let's create a text function to open the sign up screen, and that is pretty easy. The first thing we must do here is insert a sized box with a height of 16 so it won't be closer to the other widgets. We're gonna set a text, and the text is go to sign up screen. Let's see. Okay, but how to click on it and go to the sign up screen? Let's get the text and wrap with a widget, and this widget is going to be a gesture detector. So in a gesture detector, we're going to insert it on tap. Let's say navigator. You can use your type of navigator, but I'll use this one. Push, context, material, page route, and builder is going to be context, sign up screen. Yeah. Every time we click on it, it will go to our sign up screen. Let's test it. Yeah. So it opened up the sign up screen. So we can click here to go back. And here we are. After we create the sign in screen, we're going to create our method to finally log in into our Firebase account using provider. So I'll see you in the next video.